Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best car scratch removers that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have 3M Scratch Remover. From now on, you no longer have to worry about scratches on your vehicle, thanks to this product from 3M. It is an effective scratch repair that removes swirls and other light marks easily. This compound also has a medium cutting effect while offering a fine finishing for your car. As it is versatile, you can simply apply this product by hand or use a simple tool to rub it easily on and off for the best results each time. For the most part, we think this product gets the job done. It does not exactly work very easily for deeper scratches, but it sure lessens the visual damage on your paint. This is why for the price you pay for this vehicle, we think it is definitely worth it. Moving on at number 4, we have CarFident Scratch and Swirl Remover. Complete with everything you need, this scratch remover for cars does the job well. It restores the paint of your car and gets rid of swirls and scratches on the surface. The chemicals used are also high grade, which means that you can count on how fast it works in maintaining the aesthetics and quality of your precious vehicle. With its premium materials and ease of application, there is no doubt this product gets the job done fast. We highly recommend that you read the instructions carefully to make sure you do everything to really remove those nasty marks. It does not work quite efficiently for deeper marks, but it helps minimize the unsightly appearance. At number 3, we have Trinova Scratch Swirl Remover. This is truly an excellent product when you are in need of a simple and cost-effective solution for your scratch repair needs. It helps in restoring the paint and getting rid of scratches easily. The high-end quality of chemicals used in this product also works perfectly well in giving your vehicle that nice gloss in an instant. Whenever you need to remove scratches and polish your car after, this product is a 2-in-1 solution that you can always count on. For light scratches on the surface of your vehicle, this product works great. But it could take some more work to remove deeper ones. If your concern involves minor scratches, you will definitely find this product effective for that purpose. At number 2, we have Mcguires G19020016 Scratch and Swirl Remover. Scratches and swirls are quite unavoidable when you are driving your vehicle. There are just some situations when you come across a road construction or some obstructions may scratch up your vehicle's paint. In this case, you can use this product from Mcguires. It serves as a cleaner, scratch repair and polish all-in-one. When you need an all-in-one product to maintain your vehicle's aesthetics, this product is truly a great choice. One thing we would like to point out about this product is that it appears a bit too dry for some people. This is why you should shake it well to loosen it up and make sure it is just the right amount of thickness for easy application. And finally at number 1, Mcguires G190200 Quick Scratch Eraser Kit. A complete kit for removing scratches on your vehicle. We simply love this product from Mcguires. The Quick Scratch works with just a very minimal effort on your part. You can use it for erasing those fine scratches and even helps you to remove blemishes on your paint easily. This unit also comes with an eraser pad, and you can simply apply the formula with this tool for the best results. They are quite pleased with the fact that this product is equipped with everything you need to get started. The buff and compound work, although it is not very powerful for eliminating deeper scratches. Other than that, we like what it does. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.